Hello, open this link. I will share it in the WeChat group. Enter your login details and click on the login button. You will navigate to the home page. Step 1. Read your cultivation plan and know about your required credit hours for your degree. On this page, you can find your all courses. Then select the courses as per your requirement and your interest. Like I have selected some courses and get approved by the supervisor. Remember, Chinese and About China are the mandatory courses. Select your courses like I have selected and save them and submit to the tutor for approval. Step 2. Timetable. After selecting subjects, add your first semester courses in the timetable. Click on this tab and then click on this tab. Enter your subject code here, like I'm entering this code, and click on this button. It will show you, and just click on this button. It will add in your timetable. After adding your courses in the timetable, you can see your all selected courses on this page. Thank you.